Hi, my name's Rupert. I'm one of the developers at CodeLingo working on CodeLink. Recently, we published CodeLink on HackerNews because we wanted the feedback from the broader HackerNews community. And we got some pretty good responses. It went ham. It went hard as a motherfucker. So I want to address a couple of the questions that popped up and share that with the community because it's awesome to get feedback and we love feedback, so please do give it to us. To have a look at the questions here, here's one. Sorry, mate, but this VS Code extension does the same thing, but links directly to the code in question. No frills. So yeah, no, that's true that there are plugins that exist that do similar things or some of the things that we do similarly. That's great to see. We love that because these are different things that help developers in our community. But what CodeLink does is a whole lot more than just share links around. So for instance, code links you create actually get saved here in your link list, which allows you to revisit them in the future, share them with colleagues. Open up your VS Code, JetBrains, GitLab, GitHub, Bitbucket, anything you want really, as long as it's one of the things I just said. Nah, just playing. There are more integrations coming. It's got Slack integration, so all your code links that you share through Slack unfurl nice and cleanly in your Slack, so people can just review it really quickly on the fly, jump into VS Code and see those lines loaded up in there, or JetBrains if they're using that. So what we're creating with CodeLink is more than just sharing links, although that is part of it. It's also about creating a history of your work which can be shared now and in the future really easily with your colleagues, with your friends, with your family, with your loved ones, your pets, anyone really who has an interesting code. And we're just at the beginning of that journey. We're looking to build a world-class set of tools that can help developers collaborate around code really quickly. And we want your feedback. We want to build things that you want to use. So please do give us your feedback. There are real humans here ready to take your feedback and turn it into the product. So yeah, hit us up, y'all.